everything I ate today on a whole food diet.
For breakfast, I'm having the same thing that I've had the past like 2 weeks just because I am hyper fixated on it right now. But I have 2 of the chicken Amila sausages and then sourdough with peanut butter and banana.
Okay, it's 9 o'clock. I'm making my coffee real quick. I just put the cashew milk in this cup, add ice to it once I've brewed the espresso. But I'll brew the espresso in here with honey, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. I'll froth a little bit of half and half on top. Okay, I just made lunch. A whole chicken breast, some Japanese sweet potato, and then I put carrots in coconut aminos and rice vinegar, and so I'm just doing a little side of that as well. We just got back from the track and we're having a little yogurt bowl. I put blueberries, raspberries, and then it's just the Fage yogurt. Okay, I just made dinner. I did half a pound of ground beef, and then I have a mixture of regular potatoes and Japanese sweet potatoes just with some salt on top.